human eye. Here, our eyes are based on the principle of refraction of light. It acts like a camera. It has a convex lens. It has a convex lens, and here the light enters the eyes, gets refracted from cornea and the eye lens, and forms the image on the screen called retina. The light sensitive cells on retina sends the electric signals to the brain via the optic nerves. So now our brain interprets these signals and we are able to see the objects. Okay, here the shape of the human eye is spherical in shape. So it has a diameter of 2.3 centimeter. And next we are going to see the cornea. So this cornea is present. It is the outermost layer. Okay, so it is transparent in nature. So most of the refraction of light occurs in this outer surface of cornea. Okay, next we are going to move on to the iris. Iris is present behind the cornea. It is behind the cornea. There is a dark muscular structure. Okay, so it is called iris. The color of the iris is different for different peoples. Okay, it can be blue, brown, any colors. Okay, some have brown eyes, some have black, and some have blue likewise. So iris gives a color to the eye. So next we are moving on to the pupil. Here there is a small opening called the pupil. Pupil, it regulates the amount of light that can enter through the eyes. The pupil is the hole. It is the hole in the middle of the iris. Okay. Next, there is a lens. Okay. This lens we have already discussed as convex lens. It is also called the crystalline lens. Okay. This lens forms the inverted real image on the screen at the back of the eye called retina. Okay. So next, retina. So first we can see what is retina. It is a delicate layer on the back of the eye. It is present in the back of the eye. The image is formed on the retina. Okay. So retina contains various light cells, light sensitive cells. Okay. These cells generate the electric signals and transfer them to the brain via the optic nerves. Okay. These are the light sensitive cells. Here there are two types of cells. It can be of cones and rods. They are all sensitive to bright light and dim light. So next, optic nerves. Optic nerves are transmitter. These nerves transmit the signals, okay, to the brain. Next, the ciliary muscle. Ciliary muscles, it helps in changing the shape of the lens. It only allows us to focus according to the distance that we see. Next, next we are going to see the function of the iris and pupil. Okay, so iris regulates the amount of light entering the eye. So in daytime and nighttime, it regulates the light entering inside. Okay, so in daytime the amount of light entering our eyes is more. Okay, so the iris contracts the pupil and it allows only little amount of light to enter. But in night time the amount of light is very small because it will be very dark. So the iris, what it will do, automatically it expands the pupil to allow more light to enter. Okay,